We'll guide you through how to install and run an APK on a PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you've got an APK file you wish to go and install, run and use, we'll guide you through how this can be done on your computer. So it's much easier than you probably think. What you need to do is go ahead to the link in the pinned comment or the description, and that will bring you here to BlueStacks. With BlueStacks, we can play Android games, but also go and run APK files. So what you need to do is go and press the download button. It'll then go and download. What you need to do is come to your downloads in your file explorer, and you can then go and double click on it like so. When mine says agree and update, you also go and say install. So you can press install and the process will then go and begin. When it's finished, it should automatically open. If it doesn't, press search at the bottom and you can type in BlueStacks 5 and run it. Here we are in BlueStacks. You need to come over to the right and go and find the option for APK in this list of options, and you can then go and click on it. The file explorer will open and you then need to go and locate it. Locate the APK, then you can go and press open with it selected. It'll go and say installing app, and as you can see, it's now successfully installed it. You can then open it up and go and use it. It's that simple. Leave a like if you found this useful.